Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Lightning port and EarPods connector because dust or lint prevents proper contact. Use a soft brush or brief compressed air bursts. Then confirm your iPhone or iPad supports Lightning audio and has current software, since firmware mismatches can affect control and mic functions. Next, hold the connector aligned with the port and push straight in until you feel it seat. You want a solid electrical connection. This ensures audio and inline controls work reliably. Once connected, you verify functionality by playing a familiar track at low volume so you can detect channel balance and distortion without risk. Make sure both left and right channels are audible, then test the inline remote. Press center to play /pause, use volume buttons, and check the mic by making a brief call or voice memo. This proves both audio path and control signals are recognized. If you get no sound, make sure the device is unlocked and try reinserting the connector while watching the screen for accessory prompts. To finish, you ensure the connector sits straight and avoid bending the cable to reduce wear. This preserves audio quality and port integrity. If intermittent sound or controls fail, restart your device and test a different audio app to isolate software issues. Only reset settings if problems persist. The most effective troubleshooting step is cleaning the port gently and trying another Lightning accessory. That tells you whether the EarPods or the device port is at fault. If hardware still fails, seek professional inspection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.